All right, so this play that we're going to run here is called Jayhawk. And you'll see that number 10, as he's coming up, he's going to end up doing a dribble handoff to number 2 over here. And then 22 down here is going to set a back screen for 10 here. And then 2 is going to reverse the ball over here. 4 and this is Caleb there. 4 and 20 are going to exchange over here. We're going to try and look to reverse the ball and try to set up 10 for a post up. And at the same time, 2 is going to set another screen over here for 22, where we can maybe get a low to high, kick in for a 3 possibly, or a drive, or a back cut. So here we go. Here's the dribble handoff. We'd like that to be a little bit more over here so we get a better angle. There's the post up. 22 should not come over that far, but he does. And that is Jayhawk.